like, share, and subscribe. And our lesson for today is about graphing linear equations. Linear equations can be used to represent relationships. And don't forget, this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Graphing linear equations. So these activities introduce rates of change and define slope of a line as a ratio of vertical change to the horizontal change. So you have already idea about the slope and writing linear equation. So this time we're going to graph a linear equation and determine different types of lines. Okay, so first we can have vocabulary. So linear equation is an equation whose solutions form a straight line on a coordinate plane. Okay, so pag linear equation, straight line lang po yan. Okay, and we will deal with that. The collinear is our points that lie on the same plane. Of course, we will study that with more and when you go to our third quarter about geometry. And the slope is a measure of steepness of a line on a graph. So that's rise divided by the run. And of course, so we have here, no, so a linear equation is an equation whose solutions of all fall on a line in a coordinate plane. So this one, okay? And all solutions of our particular linear equation fall on the line, and all the points on the line are solutions of the equations. Okay. Look at the graph at the left. So we have the point 1 and 3 and negative 3 and 4. So this one, we're talking about this one. No? So we have 1 and 3. And of course, we have negative 3 and negative 5. Okay. So this is the solution. Alright. So if an equation is a linear, a constant change in x value produces a constant change in the y value. So like this. So there is a constant change. So the graph to the right shows an example where it's the x value increases by 2 while the y value increases by 3. So these are the y value, and the y value is upward. Okay, but the x values are 2, 1, 3. Okay, I think you see already the graph. The equation y is equals to 2x plus 6 is a linear equation because it is a graph of a straight line, and each time x increases by 1 unit, y increases by 2 units. Okay, here. So, mag-increase siya ng 1, y increases. Okay. So, this is what we call a table of values. So, given we have the x values and then solve for y. So if we are given y is equals to x, so just substitute the value of x. So 2 times 1 plus 6 is equals to 8. Therefore, our coordinates are 1 and 8. Same time with 2, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 6 is 10. So the coordinates are 2 and 10. If we have 3, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 6, 12. So our coordinates are 3 and 12. And for 4, we have 2 times 4 plus 6, that is 14. And our coordinates are 4 and 14, right? And 2 times 5 plus 6 is 16. Therefore, our coordinates at 5 and 16. So this is the graph, okay? So we will do this, and please bring the graph paper, guys. Okay, for example, here we have real world example. The graph c is equals to 5x plus 10 at the left. So this is the graph of c is equals to 5x plus 10. At the, okay, choose the cost for company A cell phone charges. charges. What this company A charges for 20 minutes. Okay, so if we're going to start here, notes from 0 to 10, so 10, 20, 30. So that means the company charges 4 pesos. Okay, 4 pesos for 20 minutes, uh, 6 pesos or $6 for 30 minutes, and 8 for 40. Of course, maybe if you're in a 50, you will have to pay $11. That's their charge, not rate charge. Okay. Now, graph equation can be done several different ways. So, table of values or tables can be used to graph linear equation by simply graphing the points from the table. Okay, so you will receive this type of activity, no? And later more because we are going to practice, and this will be your performance test. Okay. All right, so let's complete the table below and then graph the tell whether it is linear. So we have here a given equation which is y is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, so if you are going to do that, so just simply um, 2 times negative 2 plus 3. So that means the answer is 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3, the answer is negative 1. So therefore, our equation here is the x is negative 2 while your y is also negative 1. Okay, so that's the answer. The same way also here we have 2 times negative 1 plus 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2, that's 1. So therefore, we have negative 1 and 1 as your coordinates. Okay, then if you are going to use 0, 2 times 0 plus 3. Of course, the answer is 3 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 plus 3 is 0. Therefore, the coordinates are 0 and 3. Okay. At the same time, we have 1. So we will have 2 times 1 plus 3. Okay. So we know that this is 5. So 5. Okay. So 5. 1 and 5. Okay. So later on, it is easy to do this, practice this. Okay. So we have 2 times 2 plus 3. Okay. So we got 7 here. So we got 2 and 7. Okay, let's do the next activity. Yeah, that's what we do it. Okay, so can you determine if the equation is a linear? All right, so if you're going to graph that, do make use. Okay, so let us continue. For example, we have given here 7x minus y equals, or yeah, 7. So given a table of values here, we have with x's 0 to 4. So we can get the or we can use the graph of this one, no, to determine the graph if it's linear or not. Okay, so let's continue to the next page. So okay guys, good morning again. So let's have from that given below 7x minus y equals 7. So we will use a table of values that's given. So this will be your bonus di ba? Diyan ako magaling, bigay lang ng bonus. That's why you're passing. Okay? I love it when you pass, but you have to study harder. Okay, guys. And to those who are listening, that you are not a student, you will benefit from this. Of course, including your teacher, no, hindi na sila mahirapan magpaliwanag. Okay. So we have 7 here. We will use 1, no, to substitute in the value of x. So we have y is equal to 7. So negative y 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. So therefore, y is equals to 0. Okay, 0. On the second, we will use x as 2. So we have 7x times 2 minus y equals 7. So we got here 14 minus y equals 7. So we get 7y is equals to 7 minus 14. This is y equals 7. Alright, positive because we are in a both negative. Next, we have 7 times 3. Okay, guys, 0. Baka makalimutan natin. 0 yan. Okay, 7 times 3 minus y is equals to 7. So this is 21 minus y equals 7. So we have negative y is equals to 7 minus 21. Therefore, y is equals to negative 14. And if you're going to multiply this by negative 1, y we get a positive of 14 because negative times negative is positive. So this is 14. Y, and then the last number is 7 times 4 minus y is equals to 7. So negative y is equals to 24 minus 28. 28. Okay, so negative y is equals to negative 7. Okay, so times negative 1. Therefore, your y is equals to 7. 7. This is 14. 7, 14. Okay, you can now graph this using a graphic paper or more. Of course, we will do it in the next one. Okay, bye, 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 bye. Okay, just a reminder, please